Hi guys, Steph here. Okay, for you regular viewers, for you people that watch and like to see the pens before and after, you remember hopefully this pen here from my recent pen haul. Looks like a nice pen, little bit tired, needs cleaning, it's got a few scratches on it, needs a good service. And here's the pen in question after it's been done. Fully serviced, fully restored. What we've got for you here is an absolutely gorgeous Wyvern Perfect Pen, and this is the number 81, and it was made in England. Made in England by, as we said, Wyvern. Now very briefly, Wyvern basically they were one of the longest pen manufacturers in England of the period. I'm not going to give you too much information because I've shown you these pens before. In fact, I actually showed you a brown one not long ago. I'll leave you a link to the very top there, but suffice to say it's a Wyvern Perfect Pen number 81. Now this particular model, I believe this one is slightly earlier, because this model, the 81, they actually came obviously in different colours, but they came with a slightly different trim as well, which you'll see on, well, the other one that I actually showed you. But let's stick on this one. As you can see, comes in this lovely black and blue marble. The size of this pen capped is 131 millimeters capped. Around the barrel it's a nice 11 millimeters in diameter. You can see there it's got this quite a sort of, it's not a thin and it's not a large one, I'd say a medium sort of cap band to the bottom of the cap there, and it's got the very recognizable and the correct clip of the period. This one is what we term as a ball clip. To the very top there we've got this black finial. You can see it's got a slight ridge to the top there, and that actually sort of matches the bottom of the pen, as you can see there. But all in all, as I say, a stunning pen. It's been fully restored. We've removed most of the scratches, we've put a brand new sack in it, everything has been cleaned internally, and it's ready to go to the new customer. A gentleman actually saw this pen on my pen haul video, and he has reserved it subject to restoration. Okay, now I don't know if you noticed before, it's a lever pen there, as you can see. Now this one has this quite just a straightforward long thin lever. Again, if you look at the other video, you'll see the lever on these slightly differed. There was one particular model that had sort of an arrow lever to it. Let's show you the barrel imprint while we're showing you the pen. Okay, and I'm hoping, let's keep it nice and still. It's got Wyvern, and then it says Wyvern Perfect Pen number 81, made in England. Actually made in Leicester, because that's where the name Wyvern comes from, because of the sort of legendary Wyvern dragon. So a lovely clear imprint, as you can see there. So all in all, a stunning example. Let's unscrew the cap for you. Let's show you the pen, numerous different angles so you can see it. Okay, again in this lovely sort of blue and black marbling. The section, quite straightforward, quite a small section, slight ridge towards the nib, and the nice thing about these pens, they have quite a large nib, in my opinion. They've got lovely nibs, because again, I believe Wyvern actually made their own nibs as well. Now this one as you can see on the imprint, reads Wyvern 14 carat Perfect Pen Osmiridium. Okay, so there's a sideways view. Let's show you the feed underneath. Quite a plain feed. Okay, as you can see there, which is quite sort of reminiscent of the period. And when I say period, I'm dating this pen around the 1940s. It's a lovely size pen, nice and comfortable to hold. I've got large hands, and in my large hands it's nice and comfortable to hold. Now, I know you people like to see these pens writing, because we've put a new sack in it, and it's been fully restored, ready for the customer. I'm not going to fill it up, but what we'll do, we'll just simply do a dip test, and just to see how the pen actually writes. So what we have is a Wyvern Perfect Pen, and as we said, this is the number 81. It's writing very nicely indeed. I don't expect it to have any flex at all. It's quite a hard nib, but as I say, writing very nicely indeed. And writing, I would say, with a fine line. Okay, lovely writer, as you'd expect from a quality made pen. As you can see there, writing nicely with a fine line. Now, as I've just said there, from a quality made pen, in my opinion, these Wyvern pens are actually as good, and in some cases better, than some of the major manufacturers of the period. They're actually superb quality made fountain pens, and as you can see, in absolutely gorgeous condition, after obviously being fully restored. So I hope the customer's happy with what he sees. I hope you people enjoy what you're looking at there as much as I enjoy showing them to you people. Don't forget, leave a comment below, don't be shy, give the videos a thumbs up, press that thumbs up symbol just below, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe as well if you're not subscribed. But for now, from this pen and me, I'll just say Slava Ukraini, and also bye bye for now.